Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JGMAKER Artist D Pro 3D Printer. The JGMAKER Artist D Pro is a dual independent extruder 3D printer with a print volume of 300x340mm. It is a professional grade printer that is designed for users who demand high quality prints. This allows you to print two different materials at the same time, or to use one extruder for support material and the other for the main print. This design provides better control over filament flow, resulting in smoother prints with less stringing. These drivers provide quiet operation and smooth movement. This motherboard provides more processing power and memory, allowing for faster printing and more complex prints. This feature ensures that the print bed is level every time, resulting in better prints. This sensor alerts you when the filament runs out, preventing a failed print. The JGMAKER Artist D Pro is a versatile and powerful 3D printer that is capable of producing high-quality prints. It is a good choice for professionals and hobbyists who demand the best. Number 2. Tronxy Gemini XS 3D Printer. The Tronxy Gemini XS is a dual extruder 3D printer that was released in 2023. It has a printing size of 255x255x260mm, and it can print with two different filaments simultaneously. This makes it a great choice for printing objects with different colors or materials. The Gemini XS also features a number of other features, such as, in the context of the above paragraph, the Tronxy Gemini XS is a good choice for a beginner or intermediate 3D printer user who wants to be able to print objects with different colors or materials. It is also a good choice for users who want to print complex models that require soluble supports. The printer does not come with a heated bed, but this can be added as an optional upgrade. A heated bed is useful for printing with some materials, such as ABS and PET. The printer requires manual bed leveling and XY calibration of the second extruder. This can be a bit daunting for beginners, but there are many tutorials available online. The printer is not as user-friendly as some other dual extruder printers. However, it is still a capable printer and can produce good quality prints with some practice. Number 3. Geeetech A10M 3D Printer. The Geeetech A10M is a dual extruder 3D printer that allows you to print in two colors or materials at the same time. It is a popular choice for beginners and hobbyists due to its affordable price and easy-to-use features. The A10M has a build volume of 220x220x260mm, which is enough to print most small and medium-sized objects. It also features a heated bed, filament detector, and break resuming function, which can help to improve the quality of your prints. In terms of print quality, the A10M is capable of producing good results with a layer height of 0.1mm. However, it may require some tweaking of the settings to get the best results. The dual extruders are mounted on the top of the printer and feed into a single color mixing chamber. This allows you to print in two colors or materials at the same time, or to create gradients and other effects. The heated bed helps to ensure that your prints adhere to the build plate and prevents them from warping. The bed temperature can be adjusted up to 100 degrees Celsius. The filament detector will pause the print if the filament runs out, and the break resuming function will allow you to resume the print from where it left off. The A10M uses a GT2560 control board and can print at a maximum speed of 120mm/s. The printer is made of high-quality materials and is designed to be sturdy and reliable. Number 4. Geeetech A20M 3D Printer. The Geeetech A20M is a dual extruder FDM 3D printer that is available as a kit or a pre-assembled printer. It has a build volume of 255x255x255mm, making it suitable for printing a variety of objects. The printer uses a modularized design, which makes it easy to assemble and disassemble. It also features a filament detector and break resuming capability, which can help to prevent print failures. The A20M is powered by an open-source GT2560 control board and comes with a 4.3-inch color LCD screen. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PET, and TPU. The printer also has a heated bed that can be heated up to 100 degrees Celsius. In terms of price, the Geeetech A20M is a mid-range 3D printer. The kit version costs around $300, while the pre-assembled version costs around $400. This allows you to print objects with two different colors or materials. This makes it easy to assemble and disassemble the printer. This prevents print failures by detecting when the filament runs out. Number 5. Sovol SV0 for 3D printer. The Sovol SV04 is a large format IDEX, independent dual extruder, 3D printer with a build volume of 300x 400mm. It is equipped with two metal Titan extruders, a 32-bit silent motherboard, auto bed leveling, and filament sensors. The SV04 can print with a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PET, TPU, PC, PAR, wood, Acer, and PVA. It has a maximum print speed of 120mm/s and a layer resolution of 100 microns. The SV04 is a good choice for users who need a large format 3D printer with dual extruder capabilities. It is also a good choice for users who want a quiet 3D printer with automatic bed leveling. The Sovol SV04 is a versatile and capable 3D printer that can be used for a variety of projects. It is a good choice for users who need a large format 3D printer with dual extruder capabilities. The Sovol SV04 is a good value for the price. It is a powerful and versatile 3D printer that can be used for a variety of projects. If you are looking for a large format 3D printer with dual extruder capabilities, the Sovol SV04 is a good option to consider.